If you're looking to streamline IT process management, Process.st is a fantastic tool that can help automate workflows and improve team collaboration. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to effectively use Process.st to manage IT processes. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up for your team and get the most out of its features. And stick around because I've got an exclusive offer for you, an extended free trial if you check out the first link in the description. Now, first things first, Process.st is designed to make managing repetitive processes a breeze. Whether you're onboarding new employees, handling IT service requests, or even setting up system updates, you can easily track and manage these processes all in one place. This is a game changer for IT departments that need to ensure every step is followed and everything is completed correctly. Let's dive into how you can use Process.st for IT process management. After signing up and logging in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard, where you can create a new process or choose from a template. There are templates available for many IT-related tasks, like incident management, onboarding, and maintenance checklists, which will save you a ton of time if you're just getting started. To create your own process, simply click the Create New Process button. You can then add tasks, subtasks, and even set the due dates for each one. This helps ensure that everyone on your IT team knows exactly what they need to do and when. You can customize these steps to fit the specific requirements of your IT workflows, whether it's handling software installations or troubleshooting issues. Once you've set up your process, you can assign tasks to specific team members. This feature is great because it ensures accountability. You can also add conditional logic to tasks, which means that certain steps will only show up depending on the answers to previous questions. For example, if you're managing an IT service request, you could set a condition that asks, is the issue hardware related? If yes, the next step would be to follow a hardware-specific troubleshooting checklist. Now, one of the most powerful features in Process.st is automation. You can automate your IT processes by integrating with tools like Slack, Zapier, and Google Drive, so that notifications go out whenever a task is completed or when a new task is assigned. These automations will keep your team on track and prevent any process from falling through the cracks. Another fantastic feature for IT process management is the ability to track progress and collaborate in real time. Every time someone completes a task, Process.st updates it immediately, and you'll be able to see which tasks are pending, in progress, or completed. This live tracking allows for seamless collaboration, which is critical in an IT environment where quick action is often required. But that's not all. Process.st offers reporting capabilities. You can track metrics such as how long it takes for tasks to be completed or how many processes are overdue. This is incredibly useful for identifying bottlenecks in your IT workflows and making data-driven decisions to improve efficiency. If you're just getting started with Process.st, I highly recommend exploring the pre-built templates for IT processes, as they can serve as a solid foundation to build your own workflows. And don't forget, by using the link in the description, you can unlock an extended free trial that lets you explore all of Process.st's features without any commitment. In conclusion, Process.st is an excellent tool for IT process management. It simplifies task management, streamlines workflows, and offers powerful automations that ensure everything runs smoothly. If you're looking for a way to improve your IT team's efficiency, this tool is an absolute must. And remember, don't miss out on the exclusive extended free trial by clicking the first link below. Start optimizing your IT processes today.